gone really hard. I love like the control center. It was like cool.
Tell me what you're doing.
Alright, we're ready for our first rocket launch of the Estes Viking rocket.
Alright, boys.
Yeah!
Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Ben, are you excited?
Yeah!
Okay, watch. Arming the rocket. Let's try it, see if it works. It does.
Oh! Oh, where's it gonna come down? Is it coming on my head?
That was awesome, wasn't it?
Oh, I still see it. It's still going. Right?
I don't know. It went really high.
Sure did.
I can't even see it.
I don't know where it's at.
My light didn't light up, but the rocket sure went off perfectly. It went really high.
Nowhere.
I don't see it anywhere.
That totally went out of sight. That was so cool.
Big rocket time! I wonder when it'll come down.
I don't know.
In here. Hey!
Should have a streamer. We should see it coming down.
Big rocket time. He's this tiny.
Wow, was it that far away?
Yeah. No, I don't think he's even moving. I hope it didn't go in there. Oh. He's that tiny now!
Got it! Woohoo!
That is so tiny like this!
Yeah.
Big rocket time! Let's see how it is. Dad, can you see?
Yep, it's a little warm though. Gotta be careful of the engine. That's a long walk.
No kidding.
Oh,
Right here. It popped out. Look, it bubbled the paint a little bit right there. See that?
Wow.
I'm not sure. It's not structural. I think just the heat maybe.
that didn't fall out, luckily.
Yeah. It's in there pretty good still. Kind of welded in there, huh? There we go. So that's the spent rocket motor.
Can I see?
Uh-huh. It's warm, so don't touch too much. Just look.
Whoa.
Big rocket time, Ben.
That must be hot.
All right.
Oh no.
So theoretically, this one won't go as high, but it's got a much bigger engine. But we'll see, because this is the biggest engine that you can get. That little one flew really well, didn't it, guys?
It was like so tiny, it flew like way up into the sky, we couldn't even see it.
We're going to do a real countdown for this one.
Yeah, like 10, 9.
I can't believe how well that little one flew. It flew so straight,
I
right
know.
up there. Perfect where I was aiming and everything.
It was going like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We didn't even get to 0.
All right, we'll do a countdown on this one. All right, I've checked my power supply. Safety is on. Batteries are disconnected.
I'm in safety. Remember, you're in safety. Safety time. Yeah. Safety. Baby. Safety. Right? Safety time. Yeah. Mom, we're in safety time.
Good idea.
Oh. Flip. Oh. Flip. Oh. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, we're all clear down range.
Nice. I don't. Nothing explodes.
Yep.
Get in safety time. Come on.
All right, safety is on. Rocket is not armed. I'm hooking the power supply up.
What if we get down to there?
You're fine right where you're at. Stay put.
Like, burn up away, we won't get hurt. But if it goes, I like, whoa.
My little control works awesome on it. All right, boys, you ready? This is a big one.
Yeah.
All right.
I got it.
Rocket is armed.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh!
Well, I can see it.
Oh,
I can
there's
see
the charge came out.
I can see
The parachute is opening.
it. Yay!
It's gonna take a while. It went very high. Keep filming, Mommy.
I am. Hopefully I'm getting it. It's hard to see.
Where is it?
You see it?
Uh-huh.
How far over?
I don't know. About that far. Do you?
Open?
Yeah.
Obviously.
You don't see it?
No.
Oh. It's over towards us this way.
Mom. Oh, I can see it. There it is. There it is. Go get it. There it is. Over to your right. You're gonna get it. Right there. Over.
Hold on. It's going to take him a while to get all the way over there.
Ooh, that's far.
Poor Daddy. That's quite a hike, boys.
Hey, Dad, you bring it over to us and set it like right down in here, and we'll check it out, okay?
That must have gone really high.
Oh, it
It
did.
went really far.
Dad, you were like that tiny.
I bet.
And now you're like that big.
That was awesome.
Maybe you should see how it is.
See that?
Watch out.
It blew up good, didn't it?
Yeah.
Parachute did not get hurt at all. Perfect. No injury to the rocket. I think all the stickers are on too.
Hey, where's the safety thing?
I gotta put some more in.
It's gone.
You got blown out into the sky. It's biodegradable, so it's okay to leave out there. We're not littering.
Can I see? Huh?
But here's another piece.
Good job, Daddy. These are flying perfect.
Yeah, we need to do it just again. Yeah, sometimes we also
But it blew everything right out of here perfectly. You could even see it up there when it, like the thrust was gone. Then a few seconds after, it went boof. And the top came out how it should have.
It was like
It was awesome.
like it was like that. Or it came down.
It was perfect.
It was a
That one
perfectly
we're not doing
perfect
again.
float.
That new one is not strong. Because remember the paint?
I think it's just got really hot, and so the paint didn't like the heat, maybe. But this one seems like it's perfect.
So we should do that one again. And again and again and again.
We have 2 more engines, so I think Bobby does a launch and then Benny does a launch. And then we'll be done.
I'm betting when we do this with Cub Scouts, they'll make the kids go pick up the rockets.
I would, but it would take a really long time. Because this one was really far. So I'm going to tilt the launch pad a bit this direction.
Then put you in this.
But I don't want to hit that house because it totally flies that far.
I put it
Yeah.
in the shade so it can cool off.
Good job.
Because I bet it.
Well, when it's flying this way, though, it's going into the wind a little bit. The wind is pushing it. Because once it gets up there, it gets caught up in that wind a little.
So what are you saying?
I'm saying,
Mom!
uh-oh. Are we in trouble?
Howdy.
I don't know who that is, do you? I don't know.
Probably just checking out what we're doing. This is not usual kind of stuff. He must be coming to take care of the horses.
Oh, could be. Guess somebody's got to do that every day, huh?
Yep.
When they're on vacation. Dad, remember to bring that up into here. So this can be like our little the center where we launch it.
Oh, your
house.
the control center?
Mhm. That me and Benny are in the control center.
Oh yeah.
Mhm.
I think I've adjusted a bit.
It looks like it's going more toward the road.
That's a purple tree. Oh, Mama.
A little better?
You didn't sunscreen
Yeah.
me. You didn't sunscreen me.
All right. I got a sunscreen, Bobby. Pause.
Ready, Mommy?
I
All right,
am.
Bobby, arm the missile. Countdown. 5, 4.
No, cat.
Oh, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Perfect, Daddy. Perfect. That should blow over to us a little bit. All right, it's coming out.
Parachute open?
Almost. It's coming. Yep.
You think you're just laying in here?
Oh, it's gonna come pretty close.
I can't see it yet. Let me spot off at you. Maybe I'm just getting too much glare off my glasses. I see it. Right up there.
Oh, now I see it. It's coming down.
The wind's definitely carrying it.
I'll be like,
Yeah.
why are you rocking? Why are you really rocking the car? Tie it again. Why are you rocking the rocket? Why are you rocking the rocket? Whoa! Rocking the rocket!
All right.
Rocking the rocket!
Oh, you're okay.
No, there's like a big bug in there.
You got out pretty quick. Good job.
I want to put that.
Oops. Oh, that was useless. And Ben, this will be your launch. Okay? Are you excited? Me too.
I'm kind of scared.
Well, you don't have to be scared because we've tested this rocket and this launch system so we know that it all works perfect, so you don't have to be scared at all. Isn't that around?
How you doing, Bobby?
Good.
All right.
What's the
We're
little
reloading.
rocket?
Don't touch controls until I get back over here. I don't want to get launched.
You don't want to get launched.
Nope.
I'm
Not
gonna
on
be under
accidentally.
here.
All right, is Mommy filming? Hey, Ben, come over here. You're running the controls.
It's okay.
Hey Ben, just be like this.
Daddy will keep you very safe.
Just be like this.
You'll be fine. Just makes a nice loud noise. Oh, you saw a big bug. There's bugs everywhere. It's all right. Just come on down here. All right. When you want to arm the rocket, you flip up the switch.
I know.
Okay. Arm the rocket. Countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Good job.
Good job. Don't knock me over. That's perfect.
Good trajectory right into the sun. Huh?
Oh, it's all right. I can see it.
Where?
I got binoculars in the truck. Should have got those out.
Binoculars?
Yeah, by the time I get them out, the rocket will be down. Awesome. All right, gonna put the rocket controller safety on. Disconnect our battery pack. So when we want to watch the launch next time, we're set.
Yeah.
Where is it?
I don't know. Mommy's tracking it. Should be within sight now, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Coming right down on us.
Uh-huh.
I see it.
Can I have some rocket?
It's literally coming right down.
It's still going to go a little into the field.
Over here, Bobby.
Can I come?
Yeah. Watch where you're stepping.